Dear customer, welcome to the Saveo retailer onboarding process. This video helps you to onboard yourself on Saveo app as a retailer. Download Saveo app from the Google Play Store and click on Get Started. Enter your mobile number and the OTP to log in. Once you log in, tap on the store icon on the bottom right corner of the app and click on Profile. From the options, click on Store Details and tap on Edit on the right corner. Enter your pharmacy details followed by location and address. Choose the category from the drop-down accordingly and click on Submit. Enter your drug license and required document and tap on plus icon to upload the image and click on Submit. Once you click Submit, a customer executive will reach out to you for verification and further process. Thank you.